I can't speak French. I did yesterday. Day 17, we have, and it looks a little neonish if you look from this side. Wonder what's inside after this intro. So I think I know what this is. Here is one of our newest products. The silk abaca is a great material to sculpt with the wire. It will naturally take a shape, not a blocky material, but a super special sculptural alternative. Plus, we love the colour. Oh my word. Oh, look. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh, this is divine. I have used this, not this colour, but I've used this already in the neon pink. It is a dream, an absolute dream. And I think in yesterday's video, I was talking about hand making and the hand thing. You know, you don't, using this, like seriously, what they said, it's a really nice alternative to a sculpture. You can make things with this that look like it's taking you hours and hours of just, I mean, let me just, you know, something, you know, am I in camera? You know, oh, yeah. And that's what I'll explain with the wire. So the wire will help, you know, discreetly put things into place. This is a good way of, I mean, I am in absolute love with this material. It's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. These lights make it look even more neon than it actually is. This is £15 for half a metre. So this looks to me like half a metre, but you get a lot of it. It's basically a metre. It's a metre across. So you do get a fair bit of this, and you could, you know, depending on the thickness of how big you want your band, cut it in half so it goes even longer. I mean, you know, that's roughly half, and you've got some opaqueness there already. I love this so much. Oh, ladies, you have got me going. You literally have me going now. You know how to, yeah. Oh, so thank you. This was amazing. Oh, there we go. It's spread everywhere. So day 17, question of the day is, who would you like to make a hat for? And that's from Hazel Edwards on Facebook. Who would I like to make a hat for? I would have said Lady Gaga back in her crazy days. And I have sent her some pieces before, but I've never seen her wear them. I don't even know if she's got them, so who knows. I think I would like to make a hat for, and I'm probably going to, and just send it to them, and we'll see, because obviously I do YouTube, it's some YouTubers. So, for example, I'm very much into, I don't know why, I'm watching beauty videos. Okay, well that was exciting. Day 17 done. Yeah, getting closer and closer to Christmas. The snow hasn't started falling yet, so, well, who knows. by the time this video goes out, it might actually be snowing. Yeah, I'm excited. I would like to see where we go with this, because we've got some very exciting things, some basics, and sometimes the basics can be a little bit boring, but they're needed. It's not like, okay, it's sewing thread, but you need sewing thread, and you need the correct colour sewing thread so it matches, so you don't see your stitches. See, this is what why I love this. It's a story, it's a look, it's everything. So big thumbs up to the girls at Petershams. Yeah, I adore you all. I adore you all. Thank you for helping me with this. So yes, thanks for getting this far. Excuse me. Thanks for getting this far with me. We are about to hit day 18 tomorrow. Day 17 done, day 18 tomorrow. Thank you very much, ladies, for everything so far. This is great. The colours are amazing. It's very much me, very me. So yes, so thank you. To everybody watching, thank you so much for staying with me for so long. Nearly at the end of this advent calendar. It'd be sad, you know, because I'll be going back to having a bit of a break while I film some videos. So, but you know, we're not finished just yet. Like always, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you like what we're doing here. Hit that notification bell also to be notified when we release videos in future. We're uploading every day at 8 PM UK time throughout up to Christmas. All social media is listed in the description box below, as well as the bottom of this screen, as well as all the items in this calendar so far. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and we'll open up another package and see what we have.